This is the next problem where a rectangular slab base 100 into 80 mm and height is 50 mm has a full depth coaxial square whole side 40 mm such that one of the sides of the square is parallel to one of the sides of the rectangle. So first we shall draw for the rectangular slab, which is 100 into 80. Now you know how to draw it by in the grid sheets by counting 10 boxes and 8 boxes, and 3 is the height. If you don't have the grid sheet, how you are going to be drawing it? The first thing is we are going to be keeping the drawing it isometric scale. So the length of this is 100 mm. So I'll just take it, draw an arc of the radius 100, cut it, then from this point draw this line. We need to measure the iso length. So this length is to this point is 100. From this point to this point the length is 81.68. Similarly the other side length is 80. So we shall draw an arc. So go for arc by center. So this point from here I just cut an arc of radius 80. Then draw this line. From here it should be vertical line. It is not going to be perpendicular to this line. It should be perpendicular to the reference line. Now this should be 90 degrees. This should be 90 degrees. So this length is 80. This one is 100. I need to measure the iso length. So from this point to this point the measurement is, from here I'll cut a radius of 30. Then from here again vertical line, and this distance I need to measure it. This is 24.49. Now I'm going to draw it accordingly. So from here I'll draw a line of the rectangle. Either this can be this side 100 or this side 100. So let's draw the iso 100, which is equal to 81.65. So from here I'll draw 81.65 length, and it should be 30 degrees. This actual length is 81.65, but this is nothing but ISO 100. Then similarly from here this length is 80, but this we need to take it as 65.32. Then again I'll just draw the line. From this point I'll draw it from here ISO length. Again I'll draw this line, which is going to be 30 degrees. All the lines are equally inclined. The height of the rectangle slab is 30. That means 24.49. I need to measure it. So from here 24.49. That means 3 boxes, which we used to get it in the ISO scale. So from here again I will just draw the line. Again I'll take the distance and cut an arc. Here also and here also. Next I'm going to join it. So this is a rectangle slab. Next thing, we need to keep this. We need to make a square hole of the side length 40 such that one of the sides of the square is parallel to one of the sides of the rectangle. So first thing is I need to find the center. So I'm going to take the midpoint. I need to find the center line. Like this I'm going to draw it. Next thing is if the square side length this side length is 40, I need to where exactly this point and this point should be coinciding. So this distance is from this point, so from this point to this point it is 20. So from here I need to take the distance 20, which is nothing but here it should be ISO 20. So from here I'll draw an arc to find the ISO length. So this is, I need to measure the ISO length of 20, that is 16.3. So from here 16.33, I'll cut an arc. Similarly from here 16.33, from here 16.33, from here 16.33. Once this is done, we need to make this edges which should be parallel to this. So for the reference I'll just, so now I'm going to draw a line. This edge and this edge should be parallel. Similarly here I'm going to draw a line, 30 degrees line. I'll take this line and again I'm going to draw parallel lines. So these are construction lines. So this is done. So we know this thickness is ISO 30, which is 24.49. so from then again I'm going to be drawing the line parallel to this. It's going to be 30 degrees.
So this should be thick lines.
So these are construction lines. Construction line need to be removed. So this is what you're going to see. Even here also, either you can draw it this way or this way, anyway it is correct. So just draw its reference line and show its angle. So other than this we are not going to show any dimensions. So if you don't have the sheet, you can make use of the isometric scale. Otherwise you can just directly count the number of boxes and draw it. So I'll take this. Even if I'm going to keep it, it is going to be fit exactly the same way. So hope you understood how to draw it. Have a good day.